Hey, this is Jared from Time's Ticking. Thanks for finding us. We appreciate it. You're obviously looking to get your watch fixed. You wouldn't be here otherwise. Probably looking for a couple things, maybe someone to fix it for you, or you want to figure out how to do it yourself. We don't recommend you try this yourself. The watch should be resealed every time it's opened to keep dust and moisture out. That's super important. So maybe try us if you're on the fence and not sure about our company. Well, our estimates are free, our return shipping is free, our work is guaranteed. You can find us through the link below online through our website. We have over 500 Google reviews. You can sift through those and figure us out if you choose. Either way, hope to talk to you real soon, and thanks for watching.